How to use a VPN on any iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your settings. Scroll down, head towards this option of general, open it. Over here you can find the option of VPN and device management, open it. Now tap on this option of VPN. Tap on add VPN configuration. If you have custom VPN, then you can fill up this information and add a VPN on your device. Likewise, if you don't have, then you have other option, that is you can just download a app. For that, open your app store, search for VPN, and here you will get number of choices. You can choose any of these. You must be careful, as for some VPN you have to pay, so you can choose this one, VPN Proxy Unlimited Shield. This one is free of cost. Download it. After completion of its download, open it. Tap on accept and continue. Tap on continue again. Now tap on this one icon. Tap on allow. And here you can see that I'm in the process to be connected. This is how you can easily use a VPN on any iPhone. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.